What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening the boxes of fun. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening some boxes of fun. Now, I have already pre-recorded the first part of the video. That's the whole picking a team. So, can any of you guess which team I went with before we go any further? You know which team I chose? I don't know, you'll have to watch the video to see. After you watch that video, you will be directed to the next part of the video, where I opened the Freddy Funkos, because I have them right here in this box right here. I'm hoping for the Skull Trooper. Enjoy the first part of the box of fun whole shipment, part 1, and then we'll come back for part 2. We finally got our box of fun in the mail. It is right here. It's a huge box, you can see. Alright, peep the packaging. I will show you that. Let's go ahead and open this up right here. It is the Fundays game Freddy Funko. Right there, pretty cool. The logos of all the mascots for this year's box of fun. Pretty cool. There they are right there. And I got the Fanatic Fury. That's the one I got, the tornado one. Here we go. Bam. Is it destroyed? It is not destroyed. Look at that guy right there. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what he looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks really freaking sweet. I like how that crown is sitting on top of the, I guess, the wind above the tornado. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's got this little base. I like the way the hands are. It kind of reminds me of the hamburger helper guy. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm glad I was able to get the team that I wanted. So yeah, there we go. Fanatic Fury for the win. Really, for the win. We have a little bit of mail right here. It is the Fanatic Fury pin. Pretty freaking sweet. That will definitely go on my pin board or my vest. Either one, it'll go up there. So I'm not 100% exactly what this is, but I got an idea what it is. You know those little bat things you can blow up and, you know, like hit people with. I think that's what that is. It says Go Fanatic Fury, and then on the back it has Fundays 2021. There's 2 of them in the pack, so pretty cool. Next thing that was in there was this bandana right here. There we go. That's what that is right there. It's a bandana, and you can see up close. We got one more box in here. Let's see what's inside. First thing is a Funko Pop podium. Pretty cool. There we go right there. We have the first, second, and third place winners. You know, Fanatic Fury is going to sit right there on top. So, I'm just saying. Holy crap, he's got some heft to him. It is Torchy. It is a limited edition Torchy right there. Pretty freaking cool. He's got some heft to him. Look at that guy right there. I think it has to do with the Olympics and where they run like a mile or something with the torch in their hand. So I guess that's what that is meant for. So there he is right there, Torchy. We have a Brian Mariotti and Mike Becker 2-pack right there. They're the owners and I guess founder of Funko. So there we have it right there. Pretty freaking sweet. I think they're like announcers or something. The first one, this one is Brian Mariotti, correct? Yeah, I believe that's Brian Mariotti. He's got a microphone there. Pretty cool Funko on the microphone. We have the other guy right there. Same deal, but the microphone on the other side of the hand. And with the little Funko logo right there is pretty cool as well. Alright, look at that. How close can I get with that detail? That is it. That is all the pops that I have. Everything opened in this box I've showed you. Now we gotta wait for the third part of this video, and that's going to be the 3 Freddy Funkos. What will we get in the 3 Freddy Funkos? I don't know. By the time it gets close to that point to us to film that video, we should have more concrete evidence of what is going to be out in the Funko or the Freddy Funko boxes. So I will see you when those boxes come in, and we'll wrap up this video. Alright, so did any of you guess which team I chose? Did you get it right? I think the games were rigged. Moving on to the next box right here is the part 2 of the whole box of fun shipments. I was hoping that I would get these, you know, Freddy Funko as Skull Trooper. That is my favorite. Another one I wanted to get was the Marty McFly. That would be a pretty cool one. Another one I wouldn't mind getting would be the Judo one, because that kind of reminds me of Daniel LaRusso from Cobra Kai or the Karate Kid, whichever you want to, you know, say. But I really want the Skull Trooper, because it kind of ties in with Daniel LaRusso.
Hey, leave him alone, man. He's had enough. Shut up, Bobby. Look at his guts. He can't even stand up. So what? That don't mean squat. Johnny, leave him alone, man. He's had enough. On the side when he's had enough, man.
Now let's see if we can actually get that Skull Trooper. That is the #1 pick that I want, because I do like Fortnite, as I showed you. I have the common, then they have the Walmart exclusive Skull Trooper, so I definitely want to get that in my collection. We got Funko. On this side we have Fundays, you can kind of see that there. On this other side we have some more information, looks pretty cool. Can't get this out. Come on. It's gonna be like 30 minutes of me trying to get these out of the box. Get out of the box! Get out of the box! No, this can't be happening. We're hoping for the Skull Trooper. So in 3, 2, 1, that's the front, right? Bam! Alright, so it looks like we got the Judo Freddy Funko. Like I said, I believe this looks like Daniel LaRusso. It could have been easily a Daniel LaRusso pop. It looks pretty freaking sweet if you ask me though. Yeah, so we got the Judo Freddy Box of Fun 3,000 piece special edition. There's the front in 3, 2, 1, bam! Teen Wolf, okay? I think people are wanting this. It is the 3,000 piece, so what, we got 3,000 piece, 3,000 piece, so we may be getting all 3,000 pieces. I'm glad I didn't get an artist series. Now watch me say that, and then I get the artist series. In 3, 2, 1, bam! HR Puff and Stuff. It's the metallic. It is 2,000 pieces. Wow. Alright, well, we didn't get the Skull Trooper. I don't know. There's HR Puff and Stuff. It is the metallic one. I don't know. I don't seem very excited. I think we did get one of the ones that a lot of people were wanting, and that is Freddy Funko as Teen Wolf. I think this is a Michael J. Fox, right? Michael J. Fox played Teen Wolf, right? If memory serves, he played that, so pretty cool. We got that, I guess. I was really wanting the Marty McFly over this one. And we got the Judo Freddy, which, like I said, he reminds me of Cobra Kai or Karate Kid, so they could have easily made that into a Karate Kid or Daniel LaRusso, whichever, same thing. But Judo Freddy, we got Freddy Funko as Teen Wolf, and we have the HR Puff and Stuff. We didn't get two, we got two 3,000 piece limited editions, and we got a single 2,000 piece limited edition. I mean, these two I guess I'm alright with, but in all seriousness, I am excited that I did get the Box of Fun. It was an opportunity that I've never had to get before. This is my first time getting a Box of Fun. Really excited that I actually did get some of these. Even though I don't seem like I'm excited, I am excited, but I kind of really was hoping for the Skull Trooper Freddy Funko, but what are you gonna do? You can't have everything you want. So yeah, this is pretty fun. I really like the 3 mystery Freddy Funkos. I like the Mike Becker and Brian Mariotti 2-pack. I like the podium. Let's see, I pretty much liked everything about this box. It was well worth the $100. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be doing with these pops, I want to possibly trade them for... Nobody's going to give up that Skull Trooper, I know that for sure, but maybe trade them for a Marty McFly, maybe a Teen Wolf trade for a Marty McFly, I'm not sure. I know a lot of people are looking for this one, and I'd rather have the Marty McFly over this guy right here. I think it's the same characters, right? I believe this is the same character. Alright, so yeah, that is it. That is all the time I have for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.